So Marathon Digital stock was another one that got shorted down heavily by Wall Street until retail traders recognized the incredible high short interest to then successfully perform another highly profitable short squeeze. In just half a year, it went from prices around 50 cents to almost $50, which equals an astonishing 11,000% gain. After peaking at the start of April, however, it started to slowly pull back again. So what we are going to do today is give you an updated insight into what is actually happening to the stock and break down exactly whether it is still a buy at the end of this video. As always, what we want to talk about in the next few minutes is absolutely crucial to know before even considering buying the stock, so stay tuned for that. Before we jump right in, however, just make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And as we'll keep you updated on breaking news and awesome trading opportunities every single day, subscribing would not only help us but also you. So there is really no excuse for not smashing the subscribe button. It's free, and you can always unsubscribe if you feel so. Alright, let's start talking about the stock. So after some massive changes within the company, Marathon Digital is now a highly successful cryptocurrency miner with a focus on Bitcoin. It's worth noting that in January 2021, the company mined a whopping 50.4 Bitcoins. With significant expansion underway, the company mined 162.1 Bitcoins in April 2021, which equals almost $6 million. However, and this is crucial to consider for our prediction at the end of the video, this most likely is just the beginning of future growth for the company. In the first quarter of 2022, the company expects to have 103,120 miners deployed while mining 55 to 60 Bitcoins per day once the expansion is completed. Importantly, at a $55,000 Bitcoin price, the monthly revenue would be of $94.4 million and mining profit of $86.5 million. So perhaps, if you believe in the future of the Bitcoin mining market, Marathon Digital stock could be a solid choice. With that in mind, let's see how the shares have performed during the past year, as this is also very important for the prediction. So if you had grabbed some Marathon Digital shares back in March of 2020 and held on to them, today you'd be sitting on some massive gains. Back then, Mara stock was trading at the rock bottom price of 50 cents. Later, during the summer of 2020, the stock ramped up to $5. Yet, that was just the beginning of the bull run. By the end of 2020, the share price had climbed all the way to $10 and amazingly, the stock reached a 52-week high of $49.41 on April 9, 2021. After all of that, some profit taking was perfectly understandable. Thus, Marathon Digital stock retraced after topping out in April and is settling at about $21 right now. Still, the overall trend is to the upside and the bulls remain in control. Another push towards $50 and beyond, especially if it's on heavy trading volume, could signal a powerful uptrend with $100 by the end of 2021 being a perfectly attainable target. Taking a look at the change in the company, the future's looking good as well, considering the hype around the cryptocurrency space. The addition of the word digital, along with the deletion of patent in the company's name, for example, seems to imply that it is prepared to go all in on blockchain advancement. Marathon Digital basically acknowledged this as the press release identified Marathon Digital Holdings' current core competencies as mining cryptocurrencies and investing in digital assets. So, don't expect the company to concentrate on patents anytime soon. It's all about crypto mining and investing now. With this change, Marathon Digital Holdings chairman and CEO Marek Okamoto took the opportunity to point out that his company is one of the only pure-play Bitcoin investment options available. And what this basically means is that the price of it is heavily influenced by the Bitcoin price. Therefore, it's your long-term opinion on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies that should determine whether Marathon Digital is a good stock to buy. You can watch our playlist about crypto if you are interested in this. In the short term, however, Marathon's stock is also pulling back due to recent sell-offs in the crypto market. Alright, with that being it for today's video, however, thank you very much for watching. If you liked this video and want to support our mission of providing free financial information to everyone here on YouTube, please ensure you're subscribed and definitely consider leaving a like. As mentioned before, it really means the world to us. Thanks a lot and see you next time.